Kori Gassi, also known as chicken gassi, is a popular dish from the coastal regions of Karnataka, particularly the Mangalore and Udupi regions. This dish is often served during special occasions and family gatherings, and it holds a special place in Mangalorean cuisine. This is usually served with neer dosa or shavige, which is rice noodles or steamed rice. Here I have taken half kg chicken, which is cleaned and cut into medium sized pieces. To make the masala, heat a pan and add few drops of oil. Add 4 bedgi red chilies, 3 pandi spicy chilies. Roast the chilies till they turn crisp. Keep the roasted chilies aside. Now add 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/8 teaspoon methi seeds, 5 to 8 black peppercorns, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon. Roast these spices till they turn aromatic. Keep this aside. Now add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, 2 sprigs curry leaves, and roast it. Roast the coconut till it starts changing its color and gives out a nice aroma. Now I am cutting the chili stems. Discard these stems and transfer these roasted spices to a mixer jar. Add 3 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion cut into cubes, roasted coconut, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add little water and blend this to a smooth paste. Keep this aside. Now heat a pan and add 2 tablespoon oil in a pan. I have added coconut oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 clove of garlic crushed, half an inch of crushed ginger, few curry leaves, 2 to 3 bay leaves. Saute this for few seconds. Add 1 medium sized onion thinly sliced. Saute till the onion turns soft and starts changing its color. Add 1 small tomato finely chopped. Saute till the tomato turns soft. Add chicken. Add salt as per taste. Cover the pan and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. The chicken is almost cooked now. Now we will add the masala paste. Rinse the mixer jar and add that water. Mix well. You can add some water here to adjust the consistency of the gravy. This gravy is usually on the thicker side. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Kori Gassi is ready to be served. For more such recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. Any comments or feedback, please leave it in the comment section below. Also, if you want to explore more Mangalorean recipes, I am leaving a playlist of all the Mangalorean recipes at the end of this video. See you again in the next video.